Madam, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
What will be your name?
My name is Sweet Otakbolo.
Okay, where you from come?
I come from the
But my people, men are not versed on our cause enter that this way to around the phone. So I beg, men are not versed on that interruption. So, Madam, what will be your name?
My name is Mrs. Joy.
What about you?
Rachel.
It gets some matter where they happen for Ogiso on the 4th. Where they trend everywhere on Facebook, say one woman carry one girl go river. He carry reach the river, the woman not bring the girl come back again. And many of our people for diaspora and Nigeria, they ask why, what happen, how this matter they happen. Many allegations don't see they say so now so police chop money, now so they bribe police there, now so they bribe police there. So we want more to tell the world and Nigeria in diaspora and Nigeria in Africa, what really happened on the 4th of January 2021. So now we, Chris Media Group, say we want to find out what really happened for that on the 4th. So, Madam, what happened on that the 4th? I bet very comprehensive. Tell us what happened on the 4th.
On the 4th, when I go my friend place on the 3rd, now go my friend.
Who be your friend? What will be her name?
Sandra Iyore Asemuta. That be her name.
Okay.
So I go her house, I go visit her on the 3rd, now go visit her. So that on the 4th, I lie down for a parlor. One of our visitors to come to.
You don't ever go that place before?
No, this was my first time.
To visit where?
Ogiso area.
Okay.
Hotel.
I bet, Madam, wait to. This victory, where did they talk? So you know her before?
I don't know her before. Wetin even make me go that Ogiso that on the 3rd, because my friend children do Christmas and New Year for my house. So the mother I promised her say after Christmas and New Year, I will still come with my children. Now make me go that area. I don't know anybody for that area before. Now only that my friend.
So they say you when they talk the matter, they say you carry gallon from Aduawa, one go fresh water for Ogiso River. Any true dey there?
I get well from my house. Why I go carry gallon from Aduawa? All the way from Aduawa, I'll carry gallon one come fresh water for Ogiso River.
So continue what happened on that before.
That day, that one I lie down for parlor where my friend Sandra Iyore Asemuta call me say he dey hear some discussion for outside about my children and our children. Say they wan go swim for river. Say ma go call their cars.
Sorry, now the Sandra so now born the victory.
No, now born Precious and Rachel.
Okay, now your mother now be Sandra so. Okay, which number of pikin you be for hand?
Third.
Okay, now you be the woman third child. Okay, no worry, we are coming back to you.
So when I come outside, I don't meet my children. So I call rush wear my shirt and my knicker. Then this woman there outside, won't tell this woman, say me show me the road to the river. So the woman come carry me go.
So Madam, sorry. I bet pet your baby. I bet put on that make you baby play. Madam, really now you go show this woman the river?
I me go show saying they look for her children.
Now you go show on the river.
Yes.
Not be the victory can and go the river.
Not be victory and go river.
You know this woman before?
No.
When be the first time to see this woman?
Nah, that on Monday.
On Monday. Okay. But you tell me now say now the 3rd, which is also the night you go to the house. You see her that day?
I go birthday.
Okay, not go birthday. Okay, Madam, so continue.
Carry your baby. So when she carry me go the river road, that's where they go. I meet my children, Christabel and Mercy, and Rachel and Precious, close to the river. Then I hold Christabel and Mercy, say no go back house.
Madam, speak louder,
I
please.
say no go back house. So Christabel and Mercy say, no, Mom, we want to see the river. So I follow them reach close to the river.
What be that Christabel and Mercy so?
Now my children, 10 years and 8 years old.
Okay.
So when we reach the river, other children they play already inside the water. There are 4 children. They inside the water. Aboki they pick iron close to the river. The fisherman they one side of the river like this. The fish for inside cable. Then my children.
Sorry, Madam, you said that 4 people that come to the river.
Yeah.
How many boys and how many girls? Is that 4 people?
3 boys and one girl.
Okay.
So my children come dey beg me say mommy let us bathe small now. Then I hold their hands close to the side of the river. Then they just dey bath like this. The next thing we don dey come out more already dey go house. Now I hear shout, my sister help oh my sister. As I hear the shout,
Who dey shout so?
na one boy, the boy dey struggle to come outside. He dey shout. As I turn, now I see say na one boy dey shout help help help. He still dey shout my sister. He come make sure the girl name Victory. Now everybody take rush to come see the person hand.
You know the Victory before?
I no know am. Him papa no know me, mama no know me. I no know them before.
Okay.
That was my first time.
Okay.
So when the shout attract us, we rush to the boy. We see person hand. Now I shout, hey, Aboki, the drop enter inside water. Fisherman turn the boat from the other side with another person for a boat for back. They rush, go. Me run follow the edge of the corner of the river. So they go, they come back. As they come, I see they shout, where the girl? They say they no see him again. Then we take the shout, they come. Before we shout, they come. The brother don't pick craze. Don't they go as I mean, carry my children. All of us call the shout, they go because I never see that kind of thing for my life. The thing shocked me. I begin to shout, they cry. Then we call the chorus. As we reach house, we come, they say people don't. They my friend. I say I had my friend. Tarapa. Hey, what's it happen? I say, see what I experienced now. I never see this kind of thing for my life before. One boy they shout, sister. Before people go rescue, I mean shout. They don't see the girl again. So now my friend, everybody both they come rush go. As we they come back, when they come back close to my friend house, now the man attack me and my daughter. They attack me and my daughter. The rest children, everybody scatter. They say, madam, you carry your children. You not feel. I say, I don't even know your pick. I don't know them before. But the shout when your one boy shout, now make me call you the shout for rescue. May they go rescue this girl come out. But they go come back. They say they don't see the girl. Now it start to they beat me. Oh, they beat me. I don't carry pick go do rituals for river. I say, I don't know you before. You know me before.
You na priest, river priestess.
Not be river princess.
With the year say you carry white gallo go that river. How true is that?
White gallo, I no carry white gallo. What I want use white gallo go to do for river? My children I rush, run follow. Eh?
So when I call this house, so they call it beat you.
They call they beat me, tie my leg, see the mouth. They tie my leg, tie my hand, tie my daughter, put tie around our neck, say they want bonus. Say they want bonus for rescue of the police. Not to reach SCG. From SCG to States, I spent 4 days. This I say.
Okay.
This woman and the baby.
Okay.
With my friend where I go see.
Okay, wait.
My 2 phones, they beat
Madam,
me.
wait. Madam, mama baby. What will be your involvement for this matter?
They say me go show Madam Sweet road.
To the river?
Yes.
So not be the Victory can go the river?
No.
Okay, your involvement for this matter is to go show her road to the river to go meet the children.
Yes.
So for the what can happen when I reach the river?
Now we don already meet those children for the river. Not be we carry them go. Now Madam Sweet say you want go carry in your children. So the children come, they say, Mommy, let us play slow. So then she come dey close to the river. The next thing now we hear shout, hey, help oh, my sister, we don't see hands. And then Madam Sweet come dey shout. One Aboki man jump enter inside the river. Now one fisherman, cause he come fisherman, he come still go. He find am, he not see am. He can't go back to us. Of course, he go back to the river again. As we dey connect the man, they start to dey beat Madam Sweet with his daughter. Say na Madam Sweet use the Ikite do ritual.
What you make you feel say that man called the bitter?
I don't know wetin make am.
The first girl quarrel,
No.
your landlady when she come greet, and these people they not fair they play.
They try dey play.
So what you can call that connection when they call the bitter?
I don't know. Say he rescue your children.
Because the man they talk now say na in Peking, na I go show Madam Sweet the river. They arrest you because this man say na you go show Madam Sweet the river. Which one I call one made the whole world believe now?
The one make the of one believe be say na me go show Madam Sweet road to the river, not the victory.
Okay, your involvement now for this matter say na you go show am the river.
Yes.
That mean they call your name for inside this matter. That mean they detain you your baby.
My baby, yes, for 4 days.
Okay, good. So my sister, how you dey? Abeg sit out. Wetin be your name? The Chancellor Mota. So wetin be your involvement for this matter? Who born you? Who be this matter to you?
My sister, my mommy friend.
Okay, na your mommy friend. Wetin? Who just she come on her house?
On the 3rd of January, Sunday.
On Sunday. So she dey talk us say na affect their house during Christmas and New Year. How true is that?
Yes.
Wetin happen from on the 10th to the river? Abeg tell the whole world make they hear.
On the 10th of January, this woman come to
You know,
church
see
for
where
our house,
that-
where I go to their house for Christmas and New Year for there. On the 3rd, he come from our house on the 3rd of January. So on the 4th of January, too, I think they call us say they want go river. Say I go show them the river. I can go show them the river. So as we dey go, because say Mama Naomi and the star switch now come to us for road to say the Mama to say we dey go river. Say yes, say we dey go river. Say we go check on the river, then we dey go. Because they go river, me and stars because of how come we go the river. Now they come meet us for because say something dey for inside the river, victory and the imam and guys.
You know this victory before?
Yes.
How you take know I take dey close to you?
Just our neighbor, see their house, see our house.
Okay, now I be neighbor for the same Ogiso there. Okay, now you come greet you now.
Yes.
Okay. So how many of them did that river before now come? Before how many of them are coming for the river that day?
And four.
4 of them.
And two imam and victory and FA. 4 of them for the river.
Okay. So what can happen for that river? How they take wetin happen when I say people dey shout about that city, how that place, man talk how that place, talk how that place be.
Starfish come all activity and sister Ben and Mercy, they come to jump on side of the river. Because your sister and treasure, they come to jump on side of the river. Mama Naomi come to back at the river, she no enter the river, but we just side of the river. You know, say because they hear sharp, we want to do more the go because they hear sharp, we not go to sharp. My sister and sister, Starfish come call to fish and me and one aboki, make them go rescue the aboki you jump from the river, come go dey find again, no see the yeah. So if Shabi come back, because they not see the then because they go out, because they shot they go out. Oh God, because say people gather for our house, they say that people they do ritual.
So just like that. So abeg tell the whole world the truth because not anything wey dey do for this life there's God at the end. There's God at the end. Tell the whole world the truth. Who carry that victory go river?
My brothers now go for them, but not people they get.
Not una get comot.
No, not people should follow go the river.
Okay, who go show Madam Sweet the river?
Mama Naomi.
That mama baby.
Yes.
So not be the victory carry Madam Sweet go river. So as they reach us, wetin come make that man come dey beat Madam Sweet?
Say use the pikin for ritual. Say if you rescue the bear, why not you rescue the pikin? Say use am for ritual. Say the rescue am, pikin no come house. When they talk say use am for ritual.
Wait, that the victory house, their victory house now. The victory wey they find, so their house, e dey close to that river.
No.
I'm
10th Street.
10th Street to the river, but na the same Ogiso there.
Yes.
Okay, that to say na the same environment with the river.
Yes.
Okay. Wetin people wan see know? Because the man dey say, the girl father dey say na Sweet carry the children go river. Say the children go show Sweet the river. This mama baby, they arrest am now. Since how many days? Say she through the statement say na she go show Sweet a river when the children don comot. How true be that one?
Yes, but she go show us and they come meet us for road.
They come meet okay, the mama baby and Sweet come meet una for road where you and your sister dey go river. So na come go river come meet all those other one for river. Are you telling the world the truth? Because anything you are saying today, you are on live camera, everybody is seeing you. God Almighty is watching you. If you decide to lie to cover a crime, one day the truth must come out. So abeg, are you telling the world the truth? Because many sympathetic people don't dey this girl father matter. Because we no go use one side here matter. That's why Christian media say no. Make it look for the other parties. Make them see here for their mouths. My people, all of you can hear from the people that are involved. You can hear from their mouths now what really transpired on the river that day. We are not judging. We just want to give the second party the chance to air their own view. So please, my people, on the comment section, Share your thought on it. Let's see how we can do our survey and know where to start from. So thank you, my people, for watching. Thank you. God bless you. This is Crystal Media. We're always there for you to give you the right information at the right time. So this is the other party that are involved in Victory's case. We are heard from them. So it's not for us to analyze the statement and what is on ground or state ID and what the father is alleging. Thank you, my people. Thank you, those people in diaspora. Thank you, those people in Nigeria. We thank you, people. We thank you all. Thank you.